Hello everybody, Ravi here. I want to talk about the coupons.com app. For you guys that are trying to redeem your rebate, I want to show you guys how to use this coupons.com app and how to redeem. So let's get started. Alright, so mostly I'm making this video because uh, people are going to try to redeem for that Colgate um, rebate or coupon, technically it is, for $10 cash back. So what the coupons.com app is, it's not like loading coupons to your store card or printing it out. This actually will give you back the coupon in cash. So it'll directly give it to you via PayPal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about what you do first. So you're going to have to sign up. You're going to have to use your PayPal account because that's how they'll pay you. All right. So first you'll go to this page called offers, right? You guys can see this page here. You guys got to clip the offer before you shop. Okay. And you can clip the offer by clicking the plus button. See how that worked? You can click the plus button or you can click the coupon and then click activate. Okay, so that's how that works. Now I already redeemed for the Colgate offer, but I'm going to tell you guys how to do that and stuff like that. So you guys can see over here, like on the top, it says search offers. So if you guys could click that, you'll be able to scan barcodes in the store to see if the item qualifies for the coupons.com app coupon. And I want to stress that this is coupons. This is not an additional rebate like Ibotta or Checkout 51. This is coupons only. So if you use a coupon and they see it on your receipt, they will reject your receipt by saying that you used a coupon in the transaction. I just want to preface that first. This is not a rebate app, it's a coupon app. I hope that makes sense. So anyway, what you'll do, you'll clip it. You can see your clipped items in this list here, as you guys can see. All right, so I clipped all these coupons and they have the expiration date too listed next to it. So you gotta redeem it before then, otherwise the coupon goes away. So you have to buy and redeem it right away. All right, so how to redeem? You can go to your redeem tab on the bottom. You guys can see redeem here, and you guys can redeem for whatever store that you you know have. Like if you have a receipt, you can go submit a receipt and find whatever store you use. I use Rite Aid really like all the time. That's my main store, so you guys know that. And yeah, you just click on whatever the store and then you click take photos of your receipt. Or what you can do is if you want to take the pictures beforehand, you can use your camera app on your phone and take the picture and then click choose from photos. So you can do whichever way you want to. It's not like Ibotta where you can only do it one set way. There's also redeem via a store card. So like you can link your store card, whatever card you have, and it'll automatically give you back the cash. If you use, like, if you already clipped it on your store card, it's gonna go away from the app. So like Checkout 51 and coupons.com, Swagbucks, all those are like kind of together. So you guys have to be really, really careful to make sure you redeem it correctly or whatever, like you can either submit your receipt or you can use your store card, whichever one you want to. All right. So I also want to talk about the other thing here. So you guys can't see, but my name is kind of blocking it. But you can you see this 7843 Sage, right? What I'm gonna do here is you can click the yellow person icon there. All right, and you'll see like I blocked out my personal information there, but you can edit your account information, PayPal, and zip code. And this will tell you like all the different things that you need, like the offer activation history. So you can go there and you can see when you clip the offer. This is really, really useful because you gotta clip the coupon before you shop, and it has to be clipped before you like before you do your transaction in the store. Okay, that's really crucial because they will reject your receipt otherwise. That happened one time to me, so make sure you always clip before you go. I usually like to clip everything. That makes it easier on me. All right, but anyway, you can go to your redemption history, and you can see like the items and the coupons that that already are submitted and whatever. Like you can see that that one receipt from yesterday is processing right now, but um it will turn to whatever $10 when I'm hopefully in like the next few hours, showing that I redeemed it. Okay, so that's what's going on there. So this is your redemption list. This will update within 15 minutes of submitting your receipt. Okay, and then you can click on it and you can view your receipts here too. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you my stuff like that, but I'm just telling you guys. And then the payout history shows like the amounts that have been paid out. So you guys can see all that there. I've been using this app very long time, so I know what's going on and everything. But anyway, I hope this was really helpful and you guys got enough information out of it. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and a comment down below telling me this video was very helpful, and it's really easy to redeem your receipt. It's like Ibotta, but not like Ibotta because it's a coupons.com app. You can't use coupons in conjunction with these offers because these are literally coupons. And make sure you kind of like clip the hours before you go. That's all I wanted to say. Hopefully this video is very helpful. Please make sure to let me know in the comments below if you have any other additional questions. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching this Patel 7 Ravi 7 video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Mainly, Ravi focuses on Rite Aid deals and Rite Aid King. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Hi, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Ravi mainly focuses on Rite Aid deals. If you guys enjoy Rite Aid deals, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and never miss an update. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone.